Chantal with Wildberry Quilting, and today I have my Liberty box from Fat Quarter Shop. I'm so excited to open this up. This is the first time I've ordered the Liberty box. And I know that they donate a portion of the proceeds to the Quilts of Valor, which I think is awesome. All right, so when I open it up, whoops, this is how it looks on the front. Just says Liberty Box 2024. It has a coupon for free shipping on your order of $30 plus. And it looks like that's the only coupon in here. So, all right. So first off, I got, okay, I think this is, it's a thumb trap apparently. So I think this is for rulers, and it's kind of like a grip. Apparently only one side goes down. So I guess okay. So when you want to put it on the ruler, you have it like this, and then you flip that up and it creates suction there and holds your ruler in place. And it has little stars on it because I guess it is special for the Liberty box. All right, next up, we've got triangles on a roll. And this is for 3-inch triangles, half square triangles. So I guess our pattern is going to have some half square triangles. Okay. So I've seen these before. They are like a quilt hanger. And I guess I kind of expected that they were bigger than this, because whenever I'd seen them online, I just assumed that they were, I don't know, larger. This is pretty small. I guess, I don't know what size quilt you'd put on that. I would think like maybe a hand towel size. Okay, you know what? I usually save this till the end, but I'm going to pull this out and see if it gives us any direction on what we've got going on here. 3 stars fabric holder. And the image shows like it holding a single quilt block. So I guess you would just put a single quilt block on this. Maybe the other ones that I've seen online are larger. Maybe this is just for doing a single block that you want to display, like a pot holder. Interesting. Oh, okay. Well, actually, I just said something about kitchen towels, and here we go. We got some kitchen towels. How funny. Maybe that's what we're supposed to display on it, is the kitchen towels. Oh, that's such an interesting feel. Wow. That feels so strange. Okay, not in a bad way. It's just, what does that even feel like? Wonder how absorbent that is. It's Star Spangled Kitchen Towel. And I guess it says towels. So I guess it's just one. So let's open this up. It says Home of the Brave. And I think it was supposed to say Land of the Free would be my guess. But that part is cut off on both the front and the back. So I've got Home of the Brave and Land of the. No problem. That's how prints run. So, and it has pretty much the same texture on both the front and the back. This is not your standard kitchen towel though. I don't know if this is like a microfiber type thing. It has a hefty, thick feel to it, but it also has almost like a microfiber type texture to the surface. It's pleasant. I mean, it's not bad, and it feels like it would be, I don't know, the thickness and the weight of it makes it feel like it would be very absorbent. And this is a good size kitchen towel. I mean, I don't think it tells you the dimensions on it anywhere though. That would have been good if it would have listed that, but it doesn't. So let's see. If I fold it in half, I might be able to judge a little bit better. So it's, I would say when it's folded in half, it's about 18 inches. So that'd be like 36 inches in length. Yeah, that's probably about right. And then probably maybe 22 inches in width. So it's a pretty decent sized towel. And I'm just estimating that. Like, don't take me for, don't take that as gospel because I'm just estimating. I don't got my measuring mat in front of me right now to be able to measure that. I should have grabbed it, but I didn't. Oh boy. Okay, this is funny because I almost bought a fat quarter bundle of this fabric just the other day and like 2 days ago, and I didn't. But I was going to get the full thing, not just a sampling. This is like a sampling. So this is kind of nice though, because then it gives me an idea of how much I like it and how much I might, if I want to get more. That is some nice feeling fabric. So just the feel of it, it's like a cotton poplin where it's that smoother fabric that you get, kind of similar to Art Gallery or Ruby Star Society. And it is Old Glory from Layla Boutique. And I just love her fabrics. She's got some really lovely ones. I'm thinking these are fat quarters. Yes, those are fat quarters. So this is the first one. And the second one. I like them so far. Very beautiful. They must have all the reds together and then all of the blues together at the bottom. Whoops. Went to open that the wrong way and it felt really short. We've got kind of like this interrupted pinstripe or a distressed pinstripe, however you want to call it. And, ooh, I see what I really like coming up. We've got this one. It's a very interesting geometric kind of design. Pretty. This is the one I like. Oh, I like it a lot. Look at those stars on that beautiful kind of a denim blue. It's very pretty. I like that. It's like a very light denim. That's lovely. Yep. And if you guys hear chirping in the background, that's because we have a very small opening in our garage door and some birds discovered it. And they built a nest in our garage. And they have little chicks that are fledglings at the moment, and they are learning how to fly in our garage. They're using our bikes to jump off of. Okay. This is huge. It is a panel. I don't know how I'm going to get you to see the whole thing. So I guess I'm just gonna hold it up in pieces, like move it around. Hope you can see it. It says Sweet Land of Liberty. That is beautiful. I love it. And it's got the flowers and the stars on it. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like that. And all of the wording is kind of like this distressed kind of a look to it. Very beautiful. Very appropriate for the 4th of July and summer. This, oh, what is this? Oh, okay. So this is the instructions for our little quilt block thing to make for our star hanger. And oops, focus. There it is. I yeah, it doesn't I think it is just the information for how to make the block, not for how to make it into a like add a casing or whatever to the back for it to attach to the hanger itself. I don't see anything. Yeah, glancing at this, I don't see anything there that describes how to do that. So maybe there'll be more information somewhere else. I'm not sure. Maybe, actually, I bet they probably will have a blog post about it. Oh, I love the quilt pattern. That is beautiful. I love it. That is definitely going to have to get made. Very pretty. And you can kind of see what that whole quilt panel looks like together here in this picture of the quilt itself. That is really pretty. And it makes the quilt ends up being 58.5 by 70.5. That's pretty decent. That is a good throw size quilt. So I think that'll be perfect. I like it very much. And you need, in addition to what we already have, you will need 2 1/3 yards of background fabric. And then of course, you know, your border or your backing and your binding. But not bad. Not bad at all. I like it. I am most thrilled with the stuff for the quilt itself. That is the part that I really like. I'm going to love that quilt for sure. Cuddle up with it for the 4th of July. And you know what? If I can get it done in time, I might even bring it with me for the 4th of July. Go watch the fireworks with it. I think that would be a lot of fun. And just have to be careful not to spill anything on it or get grass stains. But it depends on if we're watching the fireworks from our car or if we're watching them out in the field. It kind of varies depending on the year and what things are like when we get out there. So, but if we're going to be hanging out in the car, I think this would be a great option to use. And if we're going to be in the field, then I'll probably just leave it in the car. Enough rambling. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a fun time. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can come back again next time. I do unboxing videos all the time and quilting videos and cross stitch videos and you name it. It's a lot of fun here. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day and a happy early 4th of July. Oh, and of course, happy Juneteenth because that is going to be on Wednesday. And that is a wonderful holiday that we should all be celebrating. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.